on the C300, I had one of my low beams go out. I used to run the NAOs, and I did switch in 2022 because the NAOs were getting pretty expensive. They were like $80 for two. So I switched over to Fahren. So here's the old one, I just took it out. And here's the new one. So these are H7s. I'm just going to go ahead and put them in, but I just wanted to share what I had switched to. So the old one has been in there since 2022. So it's been close to 3.5 years or so, and just went out on the driver's side. So I'll go ahead and replace it with these, and I should be good for another 3 to 4 years. So here's the box from the old ones that I had, for sure, Fahren lights. So I didn't see these on their website anymore, so I went with the H7s they show that come with the little ballast to go with it, so you don't get any codes or anything like that. So the new one looks just like the old one. Actually, the new one was a little bit beefier, but these little ballasts are what I'm talking about. So they worked fine, had them for a few years. Now these are the new ones, and if you go to the Fahren website and order them, they're like $48, but you can get 15% off at the website. So I think I walked away paying like $42 or something like that. So pretty cheap. I know the NAOs I used to use, those were getting up there around 80 bucks for the pair, so I switched over. But the installation process is the same as what I have on here before in my other video, so you can just follow that. Just wanted to put a quick picture out there of the new bulb in. Color wise, it's just pretty much the same as what was in there last time. I'm not really seeing a difference there, but that's what it looks like.